From day one, I know that I'll be doing something in electrical. What I understand is lighting outside India and lighting in India was entirely different. How we deal with the lighting.
The customer really don't know what they want. அதுதான் நீங்க சொல்றது இல்லீங்களா?
But the quality of lighting is very important. As like our central government policy of Make in India, it is helping us. More than 90% of the products, lighting products globally are made from China.
நம்ம வீடாக இருக்கட்டும், ஆஃபீஸாக இருக்கட்டும், இல்லை தொழில் செய்கிற இடமா இருக்கட்டும், எந்த பில்டிங்காக இருந்தாலுமே லைட் செட்டப் வந்து ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியம். எந்த மாதிரியான லைட்ஸ் நம்ம வீட்டுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணலாம், ஆஃபீஸஸ்க்கு யூஸ் பண்ணலாம், இல்லை கமர்ஷியல் பில்டிங்ஸ் எதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணலாம் அப்படிங்கிறது நம்ம பல பேத்துக்கு தெரியவே தெரியாது. இப்போது லேட்டஸ்ட்டாக பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எல்இடி. ஸோ நிறைய பேர் எல்இடிக்கு மாறிட்டு இருக்காங்க. ஏன் மாறுறாங்க, அதோட பெனிஃபிட்ஸ் என்ன, பிஸ்னஸில் எந்த மாதிரியான லைட்ஸ் நம்ம வந்து நம்மளோட பிஸ்னஸ் நடக்கிற இடத்துல என்ன மாதிரியான லைட்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம், எதுக்காக அந்த லைட்ஸ் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணணும், அதே மாதிரி நம்ம படிக்கிற இடத்துல என்ன மாதிரியான லைட்ஸ் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணணும் அப்படிங்கிற நிறைய விஷயங்கள் நம்மளுக்கு தெரியவே தெரியாது. அதை பற்றி நம்ம கேட்டு தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். இன்னைக்கு நம்ம யாரை சந்திக்க போகிறோம் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, கோவையை சேர்ந்த மிஸ்டர் செந்தில் அவர்கள். அவரோட பிஸ்னஸ் என்ன அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, லைட் அண்ட் டிசைன் கம்ப்ளீட் சொல்யூஷன்ஸ் கொடுத்துட்டு இருக்காங்க. மிஸ்டர் செந்தில் அவர்களிடமிருந்து நம்ம நிறைய விஷயங்கள் லைட்ஸை பற்றி இன்னைக்கு நம்ம கற்றுக்க போகிறோம். வீடியோவை மறக்காம ஸ்கிப் பண்ணாமல் பாருங்க. இது உங்கள் பிஸ்னஸ்க்கு ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். A very famous company for complete lighting solutions. So இந்த கம்பெனி எப்படி ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணீங்க? Was lighting your passion? அதை பற்றி கொஞ்சம் சொல்லுங்களேன்.
Yes, lighting was my passion, and I'm an electrical engineer by profession. Like I was working with many companies for like architectural firms and with lighting trading companies. But lighting, I want to do something more in lighting on the technical side, not on just selling a product. When we are selling a product to a client, and we are very particular that my client or whoever buys light from me should know what they are buying, why they are paying for this fixture. It was very important for me. So that is like, it is driving me for till now.
Okay, so the business பண்றதுக்கான அனுபவம் சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா? So where did you get this experience?
Basically, we are from we are from an electrical background family. My father is an electrical contractor. So from day one, I know that I'll be doing something in electrical.
Okay.
Without any option, I didn't come to lighting or to. So I was with my father, and he was into hardcore electrical, doing projects. And I started doing projects. What I understand is lighting outside India and lighting in India was entirely different. How we deal with the lighting. We were whatever vendors bring it to our office, to architect's office, we were just using that, and we were not in a position to give an specification, or we don't ask for this is what I want. But in outside India, for a project, they will tell us how a lighting should be. That is, I want this lighting, you make a lighting for me. India, we have this light, you use it for my project. That's the two different things which I faced when I was working. It's before 20 years in RSP. That was the first company which I worked.
Okay, so இப்போ you say that the customer really don't know what they want. அதுதான் நீங்க சொல்றது இல்லீங்களா? The customer don't know what they want.
Yeah.
So நம்ம தான் அவங்களுக்கு சொல்லி புரிய வைக்கிற வேண்டிய ஒரு சிச்சுவேஷன் இந்தியாவில், அட்லீஸ்ட் இன் இந்தியா தட் இஸ் த சிச்சுவேஷன் இல்லைங்களா? அவங்களுக்கு தெரியல லைட்ஸ் எப்படி யூஸ் பண்ணணும். ஸோ அது என்னன்னு தெரிஞ்சு வந்துட்டாங்கன்னா அதை பண்ணி கொடுக்குறது ரொம்ப ஈஸி. பட் அவங்களுக்கே தெரியலன்னா இட் இஸ் வெரி டிஃபிகல்ட் இல்லைங்களா? ஸோ எப்படி ஹவு டு யூ ஹேண்டில் த சிச்சுவேஷன், ஆர் ஹவு டு யூ?
That's the one. I think it's a very good question. The problem what we are facing is that because when we select, when we buy anything, when we go to a restaurant, we select the best food or like hygiene area. We don't go to any restaurant, depending on whatever you can afford. And when you want to buy buy any product, you always look into the quality. For example, your mobile. When you want to buy a mobile, you check what is the rating, what is the display, and it's all like which we are going to use it and just throw it out. But when we are going for lighting, we always look in for the pricing. We see the tagline for us is for many people, it could be architects, or it could be clients, or it could be interior designers, or to anybody, they just look in for the tagline as price. How much is yours, how much is mine? But they don't really look into the quality of lighting. But the quality of lighting is very important. I would say it is as important as we eat. So you need an ambience of lighting. That's why, like, when you go to some places, like when you go to a bar, that whatever the drink you have it at home, or whatever the drink you have it at the bar, you feel that is more tasty. It's not because of that, whatever you drink is the same. The ambience, and you have a music and you have a nice lighting, then we think, okay, we are that will make you happy. The same way, like, when you go for a party, you need a bright light. You can't, you dress up well, and you need a proper lighting. It's all the quality of lighting. So, but we don't look into that. We always think that, okay, this is I'm getting more discount on it, so this is the best product. And that is everywhere in India. That is the last point they look into. They say, like, okay, this is my nammaloda kolanda. You have a kid. We spend so much money for them, for their education, for their for all their comfort. But lighting, are we giving importance for a kid? No. We just put some lights which they sell it in the market. And how do you expect? Nowadays, you know how much we are spending on screen time. Screen time is so much after this COVID, and you spend so much of time on the screen. And that is it's a light which is you are facing. It's like a human being now. So you're facing it and you talk to them. And imagine if you don't give proper lighting, and that's the end of the game. And they'll have a problem with eye, they'll have problem with stress, they'll have problem with fatigue and everything or whatnot. All. So that is very, rather, like, if you're not using a proper lighting, just go outside, use the sunlight and study. That's more, because it is quality. Because sun, you can, luckily that we have only one sun, and you cannot pay a lesser price for that, so that you get a good lighting for it. Otherwise, so lighting quality is very important.
ஸோ இப்போ ஒர்க் ஸ்பேஸில் நீங்கள் சொன்ன மாதிரி ஒர்க் ஸ்பேஸ் இப்போ எல்லாமே ஆன்லைன் அப்படின்னு வந்துருச்சு. வீட்டிலேருந்து தான் இப்போ எல்லாருமே படிக்கிறாங்க. மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஒர்க் ஃப்ரம் ஹோம் ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் தான் இருக்குது. ஸோ வாட் கைண்ட் ஆஃப் லைட்ஸ் டு யூ சஜஸ்ட் ஃபார் அஸ்?
See, when there are 2-3 different categories we have, like what work you are doing. If you are on the system and there's a screen which is already have a built-in lights, the lights will come out of the screen. So in that condition, you don't need much light of it. You need a very dim lighting or a very normal lighting to just, you can see your keyboards and you can work, because already there's a light coming in and it has to equally match. Or if, for example, if you're an artist, or if you're drawing something, you need more light. So you have to see how much lux level. That is because now, as I said, we never spend time on, or we never designed a house or a study room with proper lighting. Nobody knows. They just look into the ambience of the fixture or the aesthetic of the fixture, and they just use it. Your house is your office, your house is your school, your house is your college, your house is your clinic. Because the doctors have online consultation, kids have schools, and when you are in college, you have everything happening. Now, since I am from the lighting side, I already know that, because I use home office a lot. But I have a good lighting. But I've seen many people, and like old people, like, they don't have lights, but they spend 8 hours on a working table or a desk. So it's very important. You have to look into the lighting part of it, and you have to have a good lighting on it. Otherwise, definitely, now COVID will go, and you will have an after effect of COVID, and then you will see all your the doctors who are dealing with all this eyesight and for the stress will have more business, because idellatoda effect it will go there.
ஓகே, காட் இட் சார், புரிஞ்சுது. ஸோ இப்போது உங்களோட கிளைண்ட்ஸ்லாம் நீங்கள் சொல்கிறது வந்து யூ டாக்கிங் அபவுட் குவாலிட்டி. ஸோ லைட்ஸில் வந்து எல்லாத்துலேயும் நம்ம வந்து குவாலிட்டி பார்க்குறோம். ஆனால் லைட்டில் மட்டும் ஏன் நம்மளோட பாடியோட ஹெல்த்தை வந்து டைரெக்ட் அஃபெக்ட் பண்ணுது, அதை வந்து நம்ம பெருசாக கண்டுக்கிறது இல்லை அப்படிங்கிறக்கப்போ, ஸோ உங்ககிட்ட வர கிளைண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் நீங்கள் சொல்கிற மாதிரி ஒரு குவாலிட்டி எதிர்பார்த்து வர கிளைண்ட்ஸ் தான் கண்டிப்பாக உங்ககிட்ட இருப்பாங்க. உங்கள் கிளைண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் யார் அப்படின்னு நாங்கள் தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாமா?
இங்கே இருக்கவங்க வர்றாங்க, லைக் we have since we have another operations in Karnataka and Kerala, like they come. But I spend and I inform my clients, like I used to explain them. First, as soon as they meet me, I never give a product and I say, okay, this is what it is, this is the cheaper one, you go. No. I used to explain them about lighting. Why they are spending money on this, why if they can get a cheaper product outside market, why mine is expensive, what is the reason for it. So I used to take it's a kind of an, even though, because I cannot expect all my clients to be, to know complete about lighting, because they'll be in different fields. They could be doctors, they could be an architect, or they could be a jeweler, and so அவங்களுக்கு வந்து லைட்டிங் பற்றி தெரியணும்ல. ஸோ ஐ யூஸ் டு டெல் them, this is what we are using, why we are using this is the reason. அப்போ we used to give them a kind of an technical study.
Okay.
That is the study which we do before designing any project.
Okay. ஸோ இப்போ ஒரு பிஸ்னஸ் அப்படின்னு லைட் அண்ட் பிஸ்னஸ் வந்து இட் இஸ் லைக் லைட் தான் வந்து ஒரு பிஸ்னஸை வந்து முன்னிறுத்தி காட்டுது இல்லைங்களா? ஸோ ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட் இருக்குன்னா அந்த ப்ராடக்ட்டை வந்து நம்ம மக்கள் கையில் எடுக்கணும் அப்படின்னா அது அந்த பிரைட்னஸ் காட்டணும், இல்லைன்னா அது தெரியாது, கண்ணுக்கே தெரியாது. ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி வந்து நிறைய பிஸ்னஸ் நம்ம பார்க்குறப்போ வந்து சிலதுக்கு வந்து டல் லைட்டிங் இருக்கும், சிலதுக்கு வந்து பிரைட் லைட்ஸ் கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க. ஸோ இட் ஆல் டிபெண்ட்ஸ் ஆன் த ப்ராடக்ட் we are trying to sell.
Yes.
Can you tell us more about?
Okay. See, I can, we will talk about our Coimbatore. You must have traveled in many of the roads where we have our mobile shops, who has got a display of mobiles. If you see the showroom from during like night time or in the evening from outside, you will not know, you can't find out, or you won't be able to make out what they are selling. Are they selling lights, or are they selling products, or a mobile, or any kind of an electronics? It's the same for, you go to the furniture shops. Not everything, not all the 95% of shops, you see only lights. Why can't they use a proper lighting which can give a highlight on their product? But if you don't properly light it up, and how is he going to sell the product? Same for the jewelers. Jewelers, they are selling an expensive metal like gold, diamond and stones. And I see most of the jewelry, they don't use proper lighting. And that's only reason many of the jewelries, they lose customers because their lighting is not proper. And it is everywhere. You go to any display showrooms, or if the lighting is not good, they cannot showcase their product, they cannot highlight their product. A nice shop in a mall are selling and the ambience is good. It's not because of anything. How do you know that you see a showroom from a distance, and it is only the lighting which is the lighting which is on the product which will attract you. When you are just walking or a window shopping, when you see a nice product, it will attract you. You cannot, you can't feel every product, and you can't touch and feel every product. So the lighting plays a major role in a business to sell their product.
ஒரு பிஸ்னஸ்க்கு வந்து மார்க்கெட்டிங் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியம், அட்வர்டைஸ்மெண்ட்ஸ் ரொம்ப முக்கியம். அப்படிங்கிறப்போ வந்து நம்மளோட ப்ரௌஷர் பார்த்தேன், அதில் வந்து அட்வர்டைஸ்மெண்ட் வந்து நாங்கள் பண்ண மாட்டோம் அப்படின்னு போட்டிருந்தீங்க. எனக்கு ஐ வாஸ் லைக் ஓகே, அப்போ என்னமோ ஒரு பெரிய சீக்ரெட். எப்படி உங்களோட ப்ராடக்ட்டை நீங்கள் வந்து மக்கள்கிட்ட எடுத்துகிட்டு போகிறீங்க, உங்களோட கிளைண்ட்ஸ் கிட்ட எப்படி எடுத்துகிட்டு போகிறீங்க அட்வர்டைஸ்மெண்ட்ஸே இல்லாமல்?
Yes. இது வந்து நிறைய பேருக்கு they've asked why you are not advertising, because we are here in business for a long, but why we are not advertising? See, when I do a good job, when you do a good job, or when you go to a restaurant and you eat, food is good, everything is good. But what normally you do, if somebody asks your friends, if they are asking for a restaurant, you go to this restaurant, you get a nice food. Yes. So my clients are my marketing managers. They do marketing for me. And this is like touchwood, we have a very good business, and every business what I get is by reference. Like if somebody is walking into my office, they'll refer and one of my old clients' name or an architect's name. I saw your product and I got a good opinion. So that's only reason we never do marketing, and we don't want to market ourselves. Why? If I do marketing, it means like somebody please buy it. It is like, I have a product, you buy it. If I don't do marketing, and nothing like that, people are coming in, it's only they're coming in because of my quality. Otherwise, how I don't do marketing and I don't do a good job, then my business will close.
ஆனால் குவாலிட்டி அப்படின்னா டசன்ட் கம் ஃபார் சீப் இல்லைங்களா? பட் ஆனால் எல்லாருனாலையும் இதை அஃபோர்ட் பண்ண முடியாது இல்லை?
எல்லாருனாலையும் அஃபோர்ட் பண்ண முடியாது. தட்ஸ் அஃபோர்ட் பண்ண முடியாதுங்கிறது ஒரு பாயிண்ட் இல்லை. நவ் people are spending 50,000 rupees for a mobile which they are going to use it for 1 or 2 years. அதுக்கப்புறம் a new mobile will come, again they'll spend 50,000, and I don't know whether they sell it or they gift it திருப்பியும். But when they are ready to spend 50,000 for a mobile for 1 year, which they are going to use it for 1 year, why can't they spend less than that for a quality lighting which is going to give for 5 to 10 years? So it is not about afford, like, you know, I'm not telling that everybody have to afford this, or like they have to be, depending upon your budget, you can select your lights. But at least for few areas, for very important areas, you have to select it has to be balanced. Now, I spend a lakh for my mobile, but I spend only 10,000 for my lights, for my entire home lighting. That's where we you know, you go wrong.
இப்போ கோவிட்ல லைட்டிங் இண்டஸ்ட்ரி எந்த அளவுக்கு அஃபெக்ட் ஆயிருக்கு? நம்ம ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் வந்து அவி பர்ச்சேசிங் மெட்டீரியல்ஸ் ஆர் வாட்
We importing.
Yeah.
See, before, like, you know, as you know, more than 90% of the products, lighting products globally, are made from China.
ஓகே
Even though they claim as Europe or US, whatever, they are raw materials or a housing, something or the other, only it is made from China, because one is because of their quality.
ஓகே
We always think the Chinese qualities are cheaper, but it is never, because you pay for the quality, they'll make it for you. And Apple products are made in China. It doesn't mean that Apple is cheaper.
ஓகே
And what happened is, after this COVID, many of the import from different countries stopped. It could be from China, it could be from Europe, because the Europeans, they are the masters of making lights, like the designers. Most of the good brands are from Europe. They spend so much R&D, and the architects spend so much of time on designing new products. And we are normally like, they design a product and they use it, and we use a product what they have designed. That is, you can't see anybody making a lighting, like any light fixture made by an Indian designer. Like, we always use a product which are done by Europe. So during this COVID situation, import has stopped, because countries were giving more preference for the medical equipments and for other electrical and, like, you know, which are luxury products. It has stopped. In one way, it is good. As like our central government policy of Make in India, it is helping us. In India, manufacturing segment of lighting manufacturing have started, and we want Indian government to support on this, because we can do wonders,
ஓகே
because we have the brain here. But the rest, other people are not ready to work, and R&D, we don't have time. So that's only reason, like, we want to have a ready-made item. Like, you know, when it is dark, people think about lighting. You'll go buy something from.
Yeah.
But if now, because of the COVID, one way, lighting industry is going to have a different level of rise, and it will help lighting industry.
ஓகே ஸோ இப்போ நீங்க do you manufacture the lights that you're selling or
No, we don't manufacture. Like, because making is like, there are different raw materials, spares, which we buy from quality manufacturers, quality brands, and we assemble it. Manufacturing is not easy for a smaller segment people, because you need a large segment for that, and these products keep outdated. Like, you know, it keeps, like, once in 6 months it keeps changing.
ஓகே
So you have to change your design pattern. You have to spend so much on your like, for the machineries and everything, which is not affordable for all the manufacturers, for the small manufacturers.
ஓகே ஸோ டாக்கிங் அபவுட் திஸ் ட்ரெண்ட் இல்லைங்களா, அது காலத்துக்கு ஏற்ற மாதிரி லைட்ஸ் வந்து இட் ஹஸ் சீன் அ ட்ரெமெண்டஸ் ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர்மேஷன். ஸோ யூ ஹேவ் டு பி ப்ரிப்பேர்ட், வெல் ப்ரிப்பேர்ட். ஸோ இட் இஸ் லைக் ஒரு கேண்டில் இருந்து ஆரம்பிச்சு இப்போ எல்இடி வரைக்கும் இருக்கு. ஸோ எல்இடி தான் இப்போ எல்லாருமே ப்ரிஃபர் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஈவன் இன் கவர்மெண்ட் started selling this concept, LED எல்லாரும் யூஸ் பண்ணுங்க அப்படின்னு. Can you tell us more about it?
Earlier, before LED, the fixtures, we had different in high intensity discharge lamps. We have fluorescent, which is compact fluorescent and long fluorescence. Then we have incandescent lamp, the normal lamps. But now, that was all bulky fixtures, very big, huge fixtures. And when something fails, we can just buy a lamp and we can just change it. That was the trend. But when the LED revolution came into our field, the size of the fixture it has become smaller. Handling is very easy. Earlier, a lamp means you have to handle it like a glass. Now you can just throw a fixture, you know, it will not break, because it has an encapsulator, and we can it is very easy to handle, and the size of the fixture is smaller, and the output has increased.
Okay.
And handling has increased, life has increased. the lifespan, the working life is increased. And power consumption it works in very less power consumption when you compare with it. So LED is most preferred till now. That is one of the very good revolution for or innovation product for lighting industry is a revolution or LED, because it has changed so much of lighting design. It has helped so much of designers, and I hope LED will develop into different efficiency wise and into life wise or in output wise it will develop more.
ஸோ இப்போது ஒரு தண்ணியை வந்து சேமிக்கணும் அப்படின்னு பேசுகிற அளவுக்கு நம்ம வந்து எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டியை வந்து சேமிக்கணும்.
10 liters of petrol and it can go to 100 kilometers. That's a range you have.
Yeah.
In a high CRA product, you will see the real color of the apple. In heritage, you cannot change the entire structure of the building. We must have seen lots of lights are getting wasted for the streets and during the daytime.